Making money on social media isn't easy, but it can be simple. I've made at least one sale on social media every day for the last 6 years, and today I'll be sharing 12 ingenious ways to sell on social media straight from my playbook as a 7-figure expert. So let's dive in. My name is Jordan Maylea, and I grew my online business from no sales to consistent 20K months in just 90 days, and today I run a global brand that's done over 7 figures in sales. I help entrepreneurs like you grow your audience and automate your sales so you can build a profitable personal brand that works for you 24/7 so you don't have to. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. I put out brand new videos on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training I release. I want to welcome you back to part 3 of our 4-part social media sales automation series. In part 1, I shared my social media funnel strategy for daily sales on autopilot, and in part 2, I shared 9 irresistible lead magnet ideas to help you capture leads directly from your social media content. I've linked both of those episodes below in case you missed it. Now that you have the overall strategy and you know how to capture leads, it's time to get to the fun part. Sales. I often share that I've done over 7 figures in sales on social media, and anytime I share that, I inevitably get the same question. What did you sell to make 7 figures? I feel like a lot of people think there's like this magic answer to that question, like there's one specific thing that you need to sell in order to make results. But that couldn't be further from the truth. And after working with tens of thousands of online business owners across 113 different industries, 17 countries around the world, I have found that the strategy you use for selling is infinitely more important than what you actually sell. And that's why I have put together my free automated sales funnel blueprint, where I share the 2 automated sales funnels I've used and taught to hundreds of clients to scale from no sales to 20K months and generate daily sales on autopilot. Inside this guide, you're going to discover why automated sales funnels are the fastest way to start making consistent income on social media regardless of what you sell, and you can grab it free at globalfreedomcommunity.com/blueprint. I'll link it below for you as well. For now though, let's take a deep dive into 12 of my favorite ways to monetize your social media, exploring each one with comprehensive insights and practical tips to help you get started. Number 1 are micro courses. Micro courses are the perfect gateway to your expertise. They offer bite-sized yet high-impact knowledge, and these short, focused courses cater to the fast-paced nature of social media where users crave quick solutions to their challenges. To create an effective micro course, identify a specific pain point that your audience commonly faces and design a concise curriculum that addresses it head-on. Keep the content laser-focused, delivering actionable insights in easily digestible formats like videos and infographics or short written video lessons. My favorite thing about micro courses is you can connect them to your lead magnet funnel to convert cold leads into customers instantly and automatically. We're going to be talking all about this strategy specifically in the final part of this series that is releasing next week, so make sure you tune in. Number 2 are mini courses. Expanding on your micro courses, a mini course is something that offers a more comprehensive learning experience. These courses allow you to delve deeper into topics, showcasing your expertise and building stronger relationships with your audience. When developing a mini course, you want to choose a subject that aligns with your niche and complements your other offerings. Structure the curriculum in a logical and progressive manner, building upon the knowledge that they might have gained in your micro courses. One really effective strategy is to provide a sneak peek of your mini course on social media. Share compelling snippets or teaser videos to pique your audience's interest and encourage them to enroll. Number 3 are signature courses. Now, signature courses are like the crown jewel of your offerings. They encapsulate your unique methodology and expertise. And these are flagship courses that position you as an industry authority and provide your audience with a transformative learning experience. To create a compelling signature course, you want to identify the most critical pain points your target audience struggles with. Then develop a comprehensive curriculum that takes them on a journey from the problem to the solution. You want to showcase your expertise throughout the lessons, divide the training up into modules or phases, and deliver specific lessons within each topic. To enhance your course even further, include digital workbooks or other downloads to help your students take action. And you may also consider adding some kind of support component like a Facebook group or Zoom calls to make sure your students feel supported as they go through your program. As signature courses are much more substantial and valuable, consider offering payment options like installment plans to make them accessible to a broader audience. You can also provide lifetime access to the course content. This can be a powerful selling point. And my favorite way to market and sell digital courses, especially signature courses, is to create an on-demand webinar funnel that leads with a ton of free value and sells your signature course at the end. This is the best strategy for getting weekly sales to your signature offer directly from social media. Number 4 is coaching. Leverage your expertise and offer personalized coaching services to your social media audience. Coaching allows you to provide tailored guidance to small groups or even one-on-one, offering a more personalized experience than a course. When offering coaching services, clearly define your coaching packages, outline the duration, the frequency, the deliverables, present them in a way that showcases the value that clients will receive from working with you. Webinars, both live and on demand, work really well for selling coaching services. And you can either have people sign up right there at the end or apply and invite them to book a call with you for those higher ticket services. Number 5 are affiliate offers. You want to collaborate with complementary businesses and promote their products or services as an affiliate. Choose affiliate products or services that align with your brand and resonate with your audience interests. Ensure that the products you promote genuinely benefit your followers, as trust is paramount in affiliate marketing. Create engaging and persuasive content to promote affiliate offers on social media. Utilize visual content, testimonials, personal experiences to make your recommendations more relatable. Number 6 is memberships. And I love memberships because they are high value, low price for your audience, and they can provide substantial recurring revenue for you over time. If you have 300 members, each paying you $27 a month, that's over 6 figures a year in recurring revenue from just 300 customers. The best membership programs offer premium content, perks, and community access. And since they're low-priced offers, you can also sell them on social media with a simple sales page or a video sales letter. Number 7 are services. Showcase your skills and expertise by offering tailored services to your audience. Whether it's graphic design, copywriting, marketing, consultation, or virtual assistance, social media can be a gateway for attracting clients for your services. Promote them strategically by focusing on your unique selling points and the results you can deliver. Share case studies, before and afters, client testimonials to demonstrate your capabilities. And a lot of people don't think about selling services through a live or on-demand webinar, but I actually just launched a new service in my business last month, and that's exactly what I did to generate over $70,000 in revenue from one webinar. Number 8 are physical products. So if you have a physical product line, social media is the perfect storefront where you can showcase your products and connect with customers. You want to use visually captivating images and engaging videos to showcase your physical products on social media. Highlight the features, demonstrate how they solve common problems, and you can even share user-generated content to build social proof. You can run limited time promotions or flash sales exclusively for your followers and create a sense of urgency, encouraging your audience to take advantage of these exclusive offers. Number 9 are paid challenges and workshops. You can host workshops and challenges that provide hands-on experiences and quick wins for your audience. Design these challenges and workshops around a specific goal or pain point that your audience wants to overcome, and ensure that the content you provide is actionable, giving them tangible results within a short time frame. You can promote your challenges on social media with a sales page or a video sales letter, and that leads us to number 10, which are masterminds. You can create intimate mastermind groups where members can collaborate and share insights and learn from each other. Masterminds foster a sense of camaraderie and provide high-level support for your customers. Ensure that your mastermind groups consist of like-minded individuals with similar goals. Curate a diverse group that can offer different perspectives and experiences to enrich the learning environment, and facilitate regular mastermind sessions through video conferencing or private social media groups. Encourage open discussions, goal setting, and accountability among your members. And since masterminds are typically more high-ticket offers, I love to promote them through my email list more than on social media directly. Number 11 are live events. Organize in-person or virtual events that allow your audience to connect with you and with other like-minded individuals. Live events create buzz, they generate excitement, and they provide opportunities for upselling into something like a mastermind. When planning live events, ensure they align with your brand and cater to your audience's interests. Themes can range from workshops to seminars to networking events or product launches. Leverage social media to build anticipation and excitement, and then utilize event pages, stories, stories and posts to keep your audience informed and engaged. You can offer early bird discounts or exclusive bonuses for attendees who register through your social media accounts, and you can even leverage influencer marketing or collaborations to reach new audiences and expand your reach. Number 12 are digital downloads. Offer digital products like an ebook, templates, swipe files, or resource guides. Digital downloads are quick to deliver, making them a convenient option for customers who are seeking immediate solutions. Create visually appealing graphics to promote your digital downloads on social media, and utilize attention-grabbing headlines and persuasive copy to emphasize the benefits of those digital products. Digital downloads are an excellent choice for the strategy we'll be covering in part 4 of this series, especially if you want to use them to generate daily sales from what you post on social media. Okay, so let's recap. Micro courses, mini courses, signature courses, coaching, affiliate offers, memberships, services, physical products, live challenges or workshops, masterminds, live events, and digital downloads. In next week's episode, I'm going to show you the first way that I started monetizing social media when I started my digital course and coaching business, even before my signature offer was created. This strategy works so well, I have taught it to over 200 clients inside my Laptop Lifestyle Academy program, and I still use it today to generate 150 to 200 new customers every single month on autopilot from people I've never spoken to. If you want a jump start on what we'll be covering, be sure to grab my free automated sales funnel blueprint, where I share the 2 funnels that I use to go from no sales to 20K months in 90 days. You can download it free at globalfreedomcommunity.com/blueprint, and I'll link it below for you as well. All right, that's all I got for today. Be sure to check out the first 2 episodes in this series if you haven't watched them yet. Then hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified as soon as part 4 becomes available. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.